Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I am going to show you the newest version of Amazon Product Scraper to scrap the products data from Amazon.com. In this video, you will see how I have extracted this data of products by using this tool. So this is the tool that I have developed. I am a full stack developer and I also provide my web automation and data scraping services here. Feel free to contact me if you have any custom projects. Now I am going to explain all of its features and how to use this tool to scrap the products data by using the category and the supplier links. To run this tool, I'll send this zip folder to you. You will have to first extract it, and after that you will have to just run this exe file. Well, today we are going to do scraping by using category and the supplier link. Let's collect some links. Here, for example, I choose this category and this category. Just copy this link and the tool will able to scrap all of these products including all next pages. And let's choose one supplier links. For example, I type any keyword here and open any product from here like this one, and this is the supplier. Here are supplier products. Just copy this link and paste here, and once you put all of your links, then specify your number of products that you want to scrap for each link. If you don't want to specify, you can check it all, then the tool will scrap all the products from each link. But in my case, I am going to specify it to 60, and this option will export all the scrap data for each category link separately. And before starting, go in the option to choose your desired data columns. I am choosing all, and this option is to request custom filters. I am checking this and I will show you how it works, and just click start button. Now it has loaded the first category page link, and we enabled this feature, request custom filters. Now the tool is asking a message to apply your custom filters. Once you apply all of your custom filters, click OK. Now the tool will start to scrap each product from this page one by one. Now it is scraping the data. And to count the number of rows, right click at any column name and click show footer, and from the footer choose count from over here. And this option is to download the product images. If I enable this, it will download each product images, and it downloads all the images. Let me show you where it downloads. This is the folder. Inside this folder, it downloads the product images and it downloads HD images. But in my case, I don't need this feature right now. And this option is to store the data in the database. The SQLite database system is integrated with this tool. Let me show you. The data is saving here as well. Okay. And this is the notification system. All you need is to type your email here and choose your desired time interval like this one. But in my case, I am choosing this one. Now it will notify me once it gets completed. As we specified 60 products and we have total 2 links, it means 120 products will be scrapped. So to save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see the results, and I will show you how to export this data into Excel file. Okay, our scrapping process is near to be completed. Now it has exported all the data and it is showing message that all products data have been scrapped and exported into external file. Now I show you where it has exported the data. This is the folder and we have enabled this feature that auto export for each category or supplier link. Now it has, this is first link and this is second link. For this first link it has exported this file, exported category 1 link. This is the scrap data and here are 60 products, and this is the category 2 link, that was the supplier link, and this file named with the current date and time having all the data. Okay, both categories. Now I show you how to export this scrap data manually. Click export button and specify your output location and type your file name here and choose your desired output format, and it will open the file after exporting. Okay, this is the file. Now we can further edit this file. Let me show you. Okay, our file is ready for use, and we have also enabled this feature, email notification system. Now I show you how it notifies. So we have received an email here and it is showing message that 120 products has been scrapped, and this is the application name. Okay, so this is our tool, and if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. The contact details are provided in the description. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools and their updates. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.